So I moved some plants that were indoors, outdoors, and some of them are sitting here holding my horticultural fabric down, preventing it from blowing away like it's in the Great Wizard of Oz. And I have these fantastical carnivorous plants a friend gave me that are waking up. Again, my mixtape here is holding down this tarp, but as I sit out here on my beautiful melanated chocolate skin, I feel the good Lord's sun rays touching my body. And like Mariah Carey said, when you're bringing your plants out to touch your body, you should let them touch the sun. I think that's what she said. So I get 6 hours of sun at my space, so I'm able to grow a gamut of different fruits and vegetables and herbs and other planty babies. But anything that requires shade, that is like super shade, loving, I cannot grow. But I can grow this elderberry. It's doing beautiful. And I love it. I can't wait to get actual elderberries though. But regardless of that, when you're growing your plants and you're getting them from your big box stores, your garden centers, pretty much anybody but Coastal Farms, make sure that you know how much sun they can take. Once you learn what your area has and what you can grow, utilize that to your advantage. You can be surprised what you can grow no matter how much sun you get.